Now available at the Combustion Guys Garage, our merch shop. You can now get and own hunting diecast merchandise from our hunting diecast series. Now available in hats, shirts, hoodies, and more. So check it out over on the shop. We got lots of cool designs. Check them out here. Alright guys, back here at Hobby Lobby, and we got ourselves a few new diecasts. We got Born in Maui pickup truck there, that's pretty cool. We got a Demon Carburetor, a lot of different, Coke related, and then I think that's a Fanta van back there, that's pretty cool. Well, what I found that was interesting was this right here, Texaco Chevy Silverado with a Camaro RS.
A Dyrus code when you're ready, please. The Dyrus code 1. Thank you.
That is very cool looking. Then we got quite a few new monster trucks. We got like an old Jeep Cherokee, beautiful C30 duty wrecker. That's really cool. Looks like we got a blacked out Corvette. Pretty cool. Looks like we got a few different Moon Eyes, but other than that, not a whole lot new, but definitely a lot of cool stuff there, and we got some new camo type stuff there as well, so neat. Also Ford Wheaties scoops, I mean those are cool. Alright, NASCAR Diecast hunting, and it's awesome. A ton of Wave 9s. I'm waiting to hear back from Bear as to which ones we need. There we go. But there's like a bunch of them. There's a cool Hendrix number 5. I think it's a throwback of some sort. Yeah, the Hendrix Chevrolet. This one is really cool. It's almost like a white pearly. That one's, I'm sure he's gonna want that one. But I mean, look at all of these. There's just a bunch of it. And I remember seeing this one racing at the duels to get in. I think it was last year though. But that's pretty cool. And Jimmy, the Alex Bowman one's cool, and the Ghost Castrol one, that one is cool. I'm pretty sure that he's gonna want that one. He's gonna want that one. I'm pretty sure he's gonna want this one. Ryan Blaney's pretty cool. All right, he says he's looking for 18, 5, and 7. Yeah, cause see the 7 is a Wrangler throwback. So. Let's see what he said he needed. He needed... It said 7, right? I think this is... Okay. Oh yeah, I wonder what the liquid color one was supposed to be. Which one's liquid? Oh yeah, so he said 18, so there's the 18. So it's a good day for Bear. Alright, so he said this one, and the 7. Alright, let me call him back and I'll get back with you, but pretty cool collection there. Let's see if there's the, I don't see any water, liquid colors. It's the High Point. Chase Briscoe High Point. Ooh, I'll have to double check with him on this, because he might want that one. It's kind of a weird mashup of which cars are here. I don't think he needs the Kyle Busch. That's interesting though. Alright, let me call him back and see. Alright, so the Bear is very happy with his 3. So I came back over here to see if anything else is hiding. I'm also practicing my camera angles because I'm going to go to the Celebration Exotic Car Show tomorrow and I don't want to make people sick. So I'm trying to practice my phone camera angles. Ford GT, Bugatti.
Figured, ooh, look at the John Deere tractor. That's cool. I'll tell you what, you're never too old for Legos. Ooh, the Mercedes AMG stuff's cool. Nice. Alright, well, it's been a while. This is going to take a little practice swinging that around slow. Been a little while since we saw that good of a collection of diecast, so that was cool.
Alrighty guys, so we got NASCAR hunting is back. We found wave, which wave? Wave 8 it looks like. So under wave 5 and stuff. So wave 8 we got Ryan Blaney. We got the GoPro car, which is coming home with me. Crash testing GoPro. Yeah.
There's also no bricks and windows.
Yeah, and that's another one that's also coming home with me as well. And then we get they're falling down.
62 on it.
Number 62?
Yeah.
Brendan gone. Because he drove for Beard Motorsports last year when he drove that Wendy's. Because that's last year's Wendy's scheme. There we get Chris Bush's Castor Oil car. Hello, sir. And then we got Chase Elliott, Denny Blamlin. We got Daniel Suarez. We also got a Chase Briscoe. We got William Bones Raptor car there, which I do like that. That's a pretty cool one. The new one, a little bit off with the white, but that one's pretty cool. We got the other GoPro one too. Then, ooh, we got the Eric Jones Tide car from Bristol. Hello there. So, stay. And then we also had somebody hiding this little guy here.
Ooh.
So someone was trying to hide that pretty good.
So you're gonna snag that so they can't
Oh
hide
yeah.
it?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then we also have Corey LaJoy's Built Bar car, which is a beautiful shade of blue. That's a really cool paint scheme.
Color.
Exactly. Yeah. So there we go. We got NASCAR Diecast, or we got myself a body armor paint scheme from a few years back that I like. So Sunny D is always cool as well. Let's see. Does this have? Who's the liquid color? Oh, Wendy's is the liquid color in wave 8, so that one looks really good from what I've seen. And we got wave 5 here, and the liquid color is the Brad Keselowski in the purple, which that would look really, really good in the liquid color on that.
That would be cool.
So, anyways, but cool. We haven't seen diecast in a really long time, and now we found him. We also got a Kyle Lawson test car right there as well. That's still cool to see. We got Chase Elliott Holler. We got the Kroger Irish Spring Holler. And we also got the Hunt Brothers Pizza Kevin Holler. So, cool.
That one's cool. A couple of Larsons. I think that's my favorite of the Larson. Got Ty Dillon in the game car. That's pretty cool. And Eric Jones. And look at this one's kind of weird. The Eric Jones car looks so good. But the card's upside down. That's kind of interesting. Got Noah Gregson, Wendy's hauler. Got a couple of those. Now the Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Irish Spring truck. That one's cool. Chase Elliott. Bunch of the Gregson ones. Wow. Another Irish Spring one. Bunch of Irish Spring ones. Yeah. So if you're a Stenhouse Jr. fan, there you go. Alright, that's what we got. Not a great selection, but okay. It's okay. Alrighty, so we're here at Walmart, and look what we've got. We've got some Wave 8s. Look at all those. Body armor. Castro car. The Raptor car is pretty cool. I haven't called Barry yet to double check what he needs. No Gregson car. Eric Jones Tide. I think he wants that one, but I don't remember. And then way over here, we've got Wave 10s. I am super surprised. Oh, that one's cool. I'll bet he wants that one. Alright, you got the alloy car. Oh, that one's so cool. I'm sure he's got to have that one. God, that looks awesome. Yes, this is a pretty good find. Even that Exalta car. That's kind of a lucky find on this. A lot of good haulers too. All the Wendy's ones, Stenhouse Jr. Alright, well I'm going to give him a call and we'll see what he needs. Alright, so after looking at all these cool cars, he already had Wendy's, he already had the Tide car, he already had Larson too. I guess I'm not real surprised on Larson. So the ones Bear wanted were the Eric Jones throwback, and that one is so cool. And then the Chris Buescher Castro car, which is a cool one. I really like that one. But yeah, this is, woo, that one's so cool. I like the 670 horsepower on the hood. Pretty neat. Alright, so that's your shopping with Todd. Looking for diecast. I did see this Lego right here. This thing is pretty cool. Look at this. NASCAR Chevy merch, NASCAR. That's pretty cool. And a shark car if you need it. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.